Hey guys, Project Bo here. As you can see behind me, I'm going to be doing a quick update here, site visit. We have some major progress here. I'm going to take you guys inside to share a quick update for you guys. So if you are tuning in for the first time, so this is a home addition that we are doing here. We're adding about another 700 square feet, second level to the house. So I'm going to show you guys a quick tour of the current progress that we are in. So a lot has taken place since the last time we did a video here. As you can see, it looks a lot different. Last video that I did, we had just did all the framing and the insulation. Right now, all the drywall has been fully installed, primed. Walls are primed. The floors are actually also installed. It's currently covered. So this is the main level. As part of the home addition project, we are doing the addition, and also we're doing some modification to the existing part of the home as well. So these green lines and the tapes are for the wainscoting. We're going to be doing some wainscoting here. So that's the dining area. This is the living area. And above this area is where we did the home addition. So I'm going to show you guys upstairs. All right, so I'm going to show you guys the second floor here, coming to this area. So this is a whole entire area we've added to this house, the second level here. It's approximately 700 square feet. So 2 windows oversees the front of the house. We've got pretty much all the drywall installed. We're currently working on all the finishes. The floors are installed already. The trim work is currently being installed as we speak. So this is the bedroom area. It's a pretty nice big space here. This is the walk-in closet. It's literally like the size of a room. It's pretty massive walk-in closet, and then we're able to add an ensuite bathroom here. It's pretty dark in here. You can't really see it that well. We have the vanity here built in there. This is a shower area. It's a large shower space with a bench, and then we have a linear niche there. Pretty nice tiles. These are 30, I believe these are like 30 by 30-inch tile, and then we have the toilet room tucked away in here. So things are coming along pretty well here. We're just getting everything wrapped up, finishes, and then hopefully we can get the client moving back into this space. So as part of the projects, this is the split level side. So this is the existing bathroom here. We also gave it a revamp where we did the bathroom, same layout, new tiles, new floor tiles, new vanity, repainted the wall, have it updated as well. All right, so I'll show you guys the rear, which is the back of the house, as you can see. So that part right there is the area that we've added. As I said before, approximately 700 square feet. This is the part of the house that is existing. We are doing the entire exterior finishes just so that everything stay consistent. So we are doing the existing house stucco as well. All the windows in the existing house also were replaced alongside with the newly added area. Definitely say stay tuned for more.